We've all seen it. Dealerships asking 40, 50, 60 grand for trucks that are 3 years old and have clearly done some work. It's insane. You're probably sitting there thinking, I've got 5 grand. Is that even enough to get me into anything reliable? Well, the short answer, yes. But it's not easy, and it's not going to be pretty. Let's get into the top candidates for the best used trucks to buy under $5,000. This is going to get interesting. Number 1. The 1993 to 2011 Ford Ranger. All right, kicking off our list of the best used trucks to buy under $5,000, we have an absolute legend of the compact truck world, the 1993 to 2011 Ford Ranger. Now, why the Ranger? First off, Ford built millions of these things. That means 2 very important things for you. They are easy to find and parts are dirt cheap and available at any auto parts store across the country. When you're looking at Rangers in this price range, you are typically going to see one of 2 engine choices: 3-liter Vulcan V6 and 4-liter Cologne V6. Both of these are solid motors. The 3-liter is an old-school pushrod design. It's not fast, it's not very fuel efficient, but it is famously robust. It's a tractor engine. The 4-liter V6, especially the later single overhead cam version, offers significantly more power and refinement, though earlier versions had timing chain tensioner issues that you need to listen for, a characteristic rattle when cold. The real sweet spot for a reliable, cheap Ranger is finding one with a manual transmission. The M50D manual gearbox is a fantastic gearbox that's easy to live with and very durable. The common weak points? On earlier models, watch out for the vacuum-operated 4-wheel drive hubs. They often fail. Later models used an electronic transfer case, which is better but still not foolproof. Check for rust on the leaf spring hangers and shackles, as well as the frame where it starts to dip over the rear axle. But overall, when you combine their massive availability, simple maintenance, and reputation for lasting forever, with care, the Ford Ranger is easily one of the strongest contenders for the title of the best used trucks to buy under $5,000. Number 2. The 1999 to 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500, the GMT 800. Now, what if you need a real truck, a full-size truck? If you have $5,000, are you out of luck? Not at all. You just need to look for what many people, myself included, consider to be one of the best value per dollar full-size pickups ever made, the GMT 800 platform, which is the 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500. These trucks were game changers. For the engines, you are almost exclusively looking at the legendary Vortec V8 family, specifically the 4.8-liter and the massive seller 5.3-liter. These are bulletproof engines. We're talking 250,000-plus mile engines with basic maintenance. They sound great, they have tons of usable torque, and they have massive aftermarket support. The common choice for the $5,000 range is a 4x4 configuration, which is essential for many buyers. The interior on these is surprisingly comfortable, and the ride quality, thanks to the coil spring front suspension on 2WD and later 4WD, is light years ahead of older trucks. So where's the catch? Why are these on the list of best used trucks to buy under $5,000 if they're so great? One word: rust. This is critical, especially if you live in the Salt Belt. The rocker panels and cab corners on these trucks dissolve into dust. I'm not exaggerating. You must crawl under any GMT 800 you are considering and inspect the frame, especially where the leaf spring mounts are welded on. If the body is rusted, you can fix it or live with it. If the frame is rotted, walk away. Also, the automatic transmissions, the L4060E, are the known weak point. They're generally fine, but if you buy a high-mileage truck that was used for heavy towing, a rebuild might be in its future. But if you can find one that has a solid frame and a transmission that isn't slipping, the GMT 800 Silverado or Sierra offers full-size capability and V8 power that's very hard to beat. They absolutely belong on any definitive list of the best used trucks to buy under $5,000. Number 3. The 1998-2004 Nissan Frontier, first generation. For our third pick, we're going back to the compact midsize market, but we're looking at an option that is often completely overlooked, and that is a huge mistake. This is the first generation Nissan Frontier, which ran from 1998 to 2004. Now, everyone knows the Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota tax is a real thing, and it means finding a reliable Tacoma in any condition under $5,000 is an absolute unicorn hunt. But the Nissan Frontier is often forgotten, and that makes it a fantastic value play. The first-gen Frontier isn't flashy, it isn't fast. It's an honest, basic, tough little truck. You had two engine options. The base 2.4L inline-4 is a legendary motor in the Nissan community, known from the 240SX sports car. It is extremely durable and easy to work on, making it a great choice if you just need a simple runabout. The 3.3-liter V6 is also very reliable, although it suffers from being slightly underpowered for its size and uses a timing belt, which is a critical maintenance item you must verify was changed. These Frontiers came in a few cool variations, including a crew cab that actually fits adults in the back, and the quirky Desert Runner, which was a 2WD truck with the ride height of a 4x4. The common issues are typical stuff for older trucks: minor leaks, worn suspension components, and the aforementioned timing belt on the V6. But because they don't have the insane resale value of a Tacoma, you can often find a cleaner, lower mileage, better maintained Frontier that easily fits our criteria for the best used trucks to buy under $5,000. It's the hidden gem of the budget truck world.
Number 4. The 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, second generation. Okay, let's say your requirements are simple. You want a full-size truck, you want a V8, and you want it to look cool. But you only have $5,000. Well, this is where things get interesting and potentially risky. This is the second-generation Dodge Ram 1500, produced from 1994 to 2001. When this truck launched, it completely revolutionized truck design. Everyone fell in love with that massive, big rig-style front grille. It's iconic. And on the used market, especially for V8 full-size trucks, the second-gen Ram is often significantly cheaper than a comparable Chevy or Ford. That's why it's a fixture in the discussion of best used trucks to buy under $5,000. The engines themselves are the classic Mopar Magnum V8s, the 5.2-liter 318 cubic inch, and the 5.9-liter 360 cubic inch. These are based on old-school designs and are very, very tough. They are reliable and sound great. However, the second-gen Ram has a very serious and very famous Achilles heel: the automatic transmission, the 46RE or 42RE. These transmissions were notoriously weak. If you are buying a high-mileage Ram 1500 that was ever used for towing, you must assume a transmission rebuild is either imminent or has already happened. This is not a maybe. You have to check it carefully on the test drive. Other things to look for? The dashboards on these trucks are infamous for completely disintegrating into a pile of plastic dust. It looks terrible, but aftermarket dash covers exist. Check the brake lines, as they are known to rust and blow out. So the second-gen Ram is a gamble. It gives you the full-size V8 experience and styling you want, but you have to budget for a potential transmission failure. But for the risk-takers looking for a full-size V8 experience, it's a constant and valid entry into the list of the best used trucks to buy under $5,000.